Now we are going to discuss some problems on using the appropriate properties. Okay, exercise 1.1. In that, the first problem is using appropriate properties, find the first question minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Second one is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into minus plus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 12 into 2 by 5. See here, this is one element A, it is supposed B. Using the commutative property. Under commutative property, under addition. Commutative under addition. So exchange. What is A plus B equal to B plus A? So 5 by 2 into minus,
2 by 3.
5 by 2 plus of minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. It is equal to 5 by 2 plus, in this 3 by 5 is taking common. Okay. But how we are taking common means, again we can apply the commutative property under addition and also under multiplication. Commutative under multiplication. So this is exchange. We can write it as 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Now by using the distributive law, same number, first term is as it is 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 is taking common, 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 3. Here 3 by 5 means minus into plus minus 1 by 6. Both are minus only. So it is equal to simplify 5 by 2 plus 3 by 5.
3
Taking the
by 5.
LCM is 6. 3 2s are 6. 6 is the LCM minus 4 minus 1.
4.
It is equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6. 5 ones are 5 ones are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. Is equal to 5 by 2 plus
By
into
2
minus,
minus 1 by 2.
plus into minus minus 1 by 2. Taking the LCM, 2 is the LCM, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones
4
are
by
2.
2.
2 is the simplification. After the using the suitable laws, we are getting 2 is the value of the given question. Second one, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. You can apply, this is A, this is me, means you can apply the commutative property, then interchange of these two terms. Okay, so it is equal to minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 using commutative property. under addition, you should mention what property you are using and you can convert. Next, again, here 3 ones are 3 twos are. So minus 1 by 4 plus for these two interchange of any two commutative A into B. Again, using the commutative property under multiplication. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5 into 1 by 14. From the distributive law, using distributive law, plus 2 by 5 is taking common, minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. Now taking the LCM, minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5, taking the LCM, 7 and 14 LCM, 7 ones are 7 twos are. So LCM equal to 7 into 2 is the 14 the LCM. You should multiply with 2 the first term, then it reduced to 14 is the LCM. Minus 3 twos are 6 plus 1. It is equal to minus 1 by 4 plus 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14. 5 ones are 5 ones are, 2 ones are 2 sevens are. It is equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 7. Taking the LCM, 7 is a prime number. So 7 fours are 28 is the LCM. You should multiply with 7 of the first term with 4 of the second term. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 by 28. It is the answer. Second problem, write the additive inverse of the each of the following. Additive inverse. Again, you can recall the additive inverse property. Additive inverse property is, what is the additive inverse property? For all A belongs to any set, any number, then minus A belongs to S, then there exists minus A belongs to S such that A plus of minus A equal to additive identity 0. That we can check. Okay. Here the first question is equal to minus A plus A. It is the property of the additive inverse. You can recall the additive inverse property, then you can write the what value is the suitable for the given. Here 2 by 8 additive inverse is 2 by 8 additive inverse is minus 2 by 8 only. Just you can change the sign. Addition plus, opposite is minus, minus opposite is plus. So second one, minus 5 by 9 additive inverse is plus 5 by 9. Just you can check out. 2 by 8 plus of minus 2 by 8. It's clearly 0. Minus 5 by 9 plus 5 by 9. It's clearly 0. Taking the LCM, 2 minus 2 is 0. So 0 by something is 0. Third one, minus 6 by minus 5 means minus minus get cancelled. That is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5 additive inverse is minus 6 by 5. Fourth one, 2 by minus 9 means first we can interchange the signs. Why? Because when we multiply with the minus 1 of the numerator and denominator, the signs will be changed. So minus 2 by 9 additive inverse is plus 2 by 9. Minus 19 by minus 6 additive inverse. 19 by minus 6 means just you can taking the minus numerator, taking to numerator, the sign is. Why? Because if when we should multiply with the minus 1, it becomes the minus 19 by 6. Whenever the numerator or denominator having the negatives means simply you cancel it. Or how those are cancelled means you should multiply with minus 1. It reduces to positive terms. If any one of the value, either numerator or denominator having the negative means simply you write in the numerator only. That is it. So minus 19 by 6 additive inverse is plus 19 by 6. You check out for each and every value, is it correct or not? If we are getting the adding of two numbers 0, then your number is correct. The additive inverse is correct. Third question, verify that minus of minus x equal to x. For the first one is x we are taking 11 by 15, not minus, plus 11 by 15. Now we are taking minus of minus x, that is equal to minus of minus 11 by 15. You should take whatever the signs are there, just you take the same signs. In the place of x, what they have given the value, you write that one only. We know that the basic properties minus into minus equal to plus. So minus into minus is plus, that is 11 by 15. 11 by 15 is equal to x. Therefore, x equal to minus of minus x. For the second case, x equal to minus 13 by 17. If the number is either positive or negative, is it true or not? Just you check out. Minus of minus x equal to minus of minus x is minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus x is minus 13 by 17. It is equal to minus of minus into minus plus 13 by 17. So it is minus into again
minus 13
x,
is equal.
minus 13 by 17. This is equal to x. Therefore, x equal to minus of minus x. Is the answer. Fourth problem, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. First, we can write the what is the multiplicative inverse. How we can find out. Okay, the multiplicative inverse property, first we can recall it, then we should write the inverse elements of the given. For all A belongs to capital R, then there exists multiplicative inverse 1 by A belongs to R such that A into 1 by A equal to 1 equal to 1 by A into A. This is the property of the multiplicative inverse. So now we are discussing for the following of the numbers. Minus 13 equal to A. So what is the 1 by A? 1 by A equal to 1 by minus 13. That should be minus 1 by 13. Just you can check out A into 1 by A, that is equal to minus 13 into minus 1 by 13. 13 ones are 13 ones are. Minus 1 into minus 1, that will be plus 1. And 1 by A into A equal to minus 1 by 13 into 13. Minus 13. 13 ones are 13 ones are. So minus 1 into minus 1, it is plus 1. So it's clearly satisfies. Therefore, 1 by minus 1 by 13 is the inverse of minus 13 under multiplication. Is it clear?
Yes.
The second question is, Shashank current పోయింది.